And then a blazing light filled the cave. The angel Gabriel, peace be upon him, appeared before him with a command from Allah for the final prophet. Read. I am not someone who reads. Jibril embraced him so tightly he felt all strength leave him, then released him. Again. Read. 3 times, and then the first words of Quran descended upon the heart of humanity. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Read in the name of your Lord who created. He created man from a clinging clot. Read, and your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man what he did not know.